course, parang hindi naman tama kung we will take this sitting down, no? We need to ferret out the deeper reason why this happened, that somebody will take his oath doon sa Senado and telling lies against the Quadcom. Hindi naman ako lamang ang tinira dito, but the whole of the committee. And it is incumbent upon the leadership of the Quadcom and the House as well to take action on this. Because I think he is under preventive suspension. If I'm not mistaken, because involved siya dun sa pagkamatay ni Barayuga, he is under preventive suspension. Kung he is under preventive suspension, somehow you can relate that he's doing this because yun na nga, trying to get even with us. So sana wag sa ganun. Wag sa ganun pamamaraan. We are all well, I believe that we are in the democratic way of our government, and okay lang yan. Basta harapin na lang namin yan kung ano mangyayari. And we will talk about it.